Hi, this is Marco from DComply, and today I'm going to show you how to pay a bill in the app. So there's two ways you could pay a bill in the app. One way is to hit the balance summary button, and there you could see all the bills that you owe. So in this instance, I owe a bill for a basketball uniform. Go back, and I can also just simply pay a bill by just going into the pay bill button, and in there I'll see that I have this basketball uniform bill, and I can open that bill up by pressing that. And then I've got a couple options. I could either pay with DComply Pay, or I could dispute the bill. In this instance, despite the fact that there's no documentation provided, I do know that, my daughter Ella is playing basketball, and she needs a new uniform, so there's no reason for me to dispute the bill. And the calculation looks correct. I've correctly was billed 55% of it, and I owe $11. So I can now go, just hit this button, it says Pay with DComply Pay. It's going to ask me to hit the bank account, confirm, and the bill has been paid. Now I can go back and check the balance summary, and I'll see that that bill is no longer in the owed section because it's been paid. And I could look at past bills, and I could see that this bill has been completed. And now we're waiting for that money to be transited from my bank account to my co-parent's bank account. And that's it. This is how you pay bills in DComply. Thank you. Bye-bye.